taper, we're gonna use our number 4 guard just to debulk. First guide with a trimmer in like a rainbow shape. Go in with our no guard lever open. Once again, keeping it in that rainbow shape.
Are you ready to take your barbering journey to the next level? Subscribe to my barber channel today and unlock a world of inspiration, education, and growth in the art of barbering.
I'm going with our 1.5 just to keep it dark.
The video you are currently watching, that's thumbnail, has an amazing content with cool and new tips being taught in it. Be sure to check out this video through the link provided at the top of the page or the link pinned in the comments.
To remove this middle guideline, we're gonna go in with our 1.5 open. I decided to grab this one instead of the 1 open just because, you know, I'm comfortable flicking into that 1.5. I would advise you to grab a 1 first open and then go from there until you get a little more comfortable with, you know, flicking and pressure and the movement itself. And now it's still a little dark in there, so I'm gonna go in with our 1 now. Very slightly, little to no pressure, just the corners. And I'm also kind of just anchoring like this, just because I know it's like a 1.5 in there, almost a 4. So I don't want to take off or create any more dark spots than I need to. Next up, I'm gonna go with my trimmer, just get rid of this bald line down here. Flicking out just the corner, little to no pressure. Trying to fade that stubble. Now I'm gonna go in with my clipper, no guard lever closed. And just tap in there. Being real careful. Now we're gonna line them up. So so we can see if that's where his natural lineup is.